So this one, right there. Go. Push. And... This one. Alright. Relax ito. Yan, para siyang napaypay. Yan, sa groin, muscles. Nice. So, good evening, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Now, andito tayo sa bahay nila Kuya
Jonas.
Yan. So, natawag tayo saglit ng home service at ang pinaka nagiging concern ni Kuya Jonas ay yung kanyang plantar. He had disorder sa plantar ligaments niya. So, titignan natin kung ano yung pinaka nagiging root cause, bakit nagkakaroon ng disorder and pain doon sa kanyang plantar ligaments. Gano'n nakatagal to?
Mahigit 3 weeks na.
3 weeks
Been
na.
going on.
Tagal na. Ayan. So, titignan natin at least magkakaroon tayo ng iba't ibang adjustment or releasing ng tension between his bones doon sa kanyang foot kasi maraming areas, a lot of areas here. At maraming buto dito sa ating mga paa or foot. Okay? Sige. Ngayon, specific muna tayo doon sa kanyang testing. Okay? Doon sa kanyang paa. Alright? Sige, stand up. Yan. So, ang gagawin nating testing is about here. Let's see. Up. How's this?
Medyo mahirap i-balance.
Imbalance ng konti. Okay. Kamusta yung feeling doon sa may heel?
Parang may, alam mo yung needle or parang kang nagaground ng konti.
Okay.
The more
Ngayon,
na pinuput ko yung weight ko lang doon.
doon.
Yep.
Okay. Down. And up. Kamusta yun?
Ayan, pinipilit kong i-balance tapos napupunta yung weight ko doon sa big toe.
Dahil may
Parang
sumasakit doon.
natatakot na pag ginanong ko pa ng konti, may sakit ng nadadagdagan yung sakit.
Okay, sige. Tignan natin ngayon. Check natin yung pinaka-engagement ng muscles. Kumbaga, starting muscles. Up. Kaya? Yan.
Kaya with assist.
With assist. Okay, sige. Ngayon,
Pero, yan.
try
Pero hindi
natin.
todo eh.
Tiptoe na. Yan. Sige, ready? Go. Up. Yan. Kamusta?
Mahirap. Tapos
Mahirap.
nagta-tighten to masyado.
Okay. O, check natin ito. Last one. Yan. Here. Heel lang Heel. Up. Try. Heel. Yun. Kamusta?
Wala namang pain, pero
Walang pain.
nagta-tighten
Kamusta yung
din to.
engagement? Yan. Sa may muscles.
Sakit din
Hinge.
to. Oo.
At saka sa tinatawag na shin muscles. Ayan.
Hmm.
Sige. Doon sa ating fibula and tibial bone na support muscles. So, meron tayong specific na technique to release those muscles at makarecover na kaagad yung kanyang foot and plantar fasciitis. Okay?
Sakit to, di ba? Yan.
Yan. Alright. So, yun na yung nagiging problema. Later on, i-check natin ulit yun kung ano yung magiging resulta. Alright?
Okay.
Sige, check natin yung buong katawan. Turn to your right. Turn to your left. Yan. Okay?
Okay naman.
Okay, good. Here, up. Normal is about 45 degrees up. How's it?
Medyo tight yun. Oo.
May pain?
Hindi naman, pero tight.
Tight.
Hirap.
Kumbaga may nagbablock na.
Oo.
Sige,
Hirap.
go push. Kamusta ito?
Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Yun, okay lang.
Good.
Yung
Ngayon,
patingala lang.
traps muscles. Go up. Dikit sa tenga. How is it?
Okay lang.
Good. Mula sa harap.
Kaya.
All the way up.
Yan. Kaya naman.
Nice. So, ngayon, ito. Support ng rhomboid and lateral. Okay, ito yung normal about here.
Yeah!
How is it?
Mahirap yun. Ito, to.
Sa rhomboid itself.
Oo.
Sige, go. Push. Ito, almost naman. Very good.
Pero meron din. Dito.
Sikip
ito,
din.
Ito, to.
Yan. Oh, this one.
Oo.
Ito yung tinatawag na disorder with the rib out. Okay? Sa inner rib joint. Okay? Sige, up. Here. Ready? Back bend. Okay, up. Very good. How is it?
Kaya. Okay lang.
Okay, harap. Yan, check natin ito. Forward bend. Good.
Kaya yan.
Sige, up ng konti. Konti lang. Konti.
Ay.
Yun.
Hindi na naman pantay. Tulad dati.
Let's see. So, konting misalignment with this one. Okay? Lumbar 1 and 2. Medyo nakataas ito. Okay? Yung dating nakita natin, which is sobrang taas nito. Okay? Nag-stay naman siya doon sa kung ano yung naiwan natin. Okay? So, medyo Misalign with this, thoracic, middle, hanggang sa lumbar 1 and 2. Okay? Yan. So, yan lang naman yung nagiging problema. Unlike nun sa dati. Okay?
Oh, ito dati parang hindi pantay talaga eh.
Yes. Sige. Tiganan din. Ito ko ulit. Forward. Sige, forward. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Good. O, ito, very good naman na ito. Right there. So, ito naman. Here and lower lumbar 1 and 2. Yun naman. Okay?
Sige.
Ang una nating aasikasuhin dahil medyo matagal ito, yung iyong plantar. Okay? Tihaya. Ito. So, since ito na ay medyo kumakapal na yung pinakasuporta ng ligament
Oo nga eh.
plantar right here. Testing ha. Here.
Sige, kaya.
This one.
Kailan.
Right here. Nothing. This one in the middle. Right here. This
Okay.
one. Sa middle. How's it?
Yan, medyo.
Medyo. Here.
Yan, sakit.
Okay. Right here.
Yan.
Ayan. Okay. This one. Right here.
Yan, meron din.
Konti. Okay.
Oo.
Here.
Yan.
You. So, it's about here. This
Yeah.
one. Yan.
Parang mamanhit nga pati yung ito saka yung tinuro ko sa
Ito?
shin.
Yes. Ito.
Yan, oo.
Mhm.
Apektado siya dyan. Ganun ba yun? Connected siya dyan.
Okay. So,
Ayan, no? Kahit habang nakadiin na ganyan, parang
ganito.
feeling ko pumipintig to na titigas siya eh. Ulit. Oo. Galing ah.
There. So, pinaka-specific natin, which is here,
Mm.
stretch, and yung ating metatarsal, ay re-release natin yung tension between this one, and then yung ating cuboid here to unlock, and then ito, i-release na natin yung mga muscles itself. Okay, ready? Okay, we have
So partial lang pala yung na-discover ko, yung doon sa shin. Di rin totally talaga.
turn.
Parang yun din yung binanggit mo last session natin, di ba? Yung cuboid
Yes.
na nirelease mo.
Good one.
Yun yung hinahanap mong stretch.
Okay, so first one is a metatarsal sa big toe. Right here. Okay? Okay, relax na ito. Good one. That's it. Good. Relax, relax, relax. Good. Okay. Forward. Okay, here. Middle. Okay. Lower side. Medyo tight lang ng konti. This one. Push it. Up. Turn. Relax, relax, relax. Turn up. Nice.
Oh, may tumunog ng... Di ba?
Sit here.
Yun yun?
Navicular bone ang tawag. Okay?
Tumunog eh.
Next is our lower cuboid. Okay, clear naman yan. Next is this. For the main base plate, talus bone. Yan. You know, ayan. Pagka binababa ko, nakikita mo yun. Tumutunog this one. Yan. Okay? Ang tawag dyan is a reduction. Yan.
Yan, tumutunog-tunog oh.
Yes. Okay. This one. Good. Up, up, up. Okay. Nice. Tapos ito na tayo sa cuboid. Okay? Yan. To unlock this one. Sige. Turn in. Up. Okay. Good. Nice. Sige. Push it. Ito tayo. Sa may lower side. Kasama yung heel naman. Okay? We will turn up. Nice. Relax. Good one. Okay, and then we will turn in again. Okay, we'll push this one. Okay, and pull. Ready? Inhale. Push and pull. Relax ang legs. Good. Para siyang ba lupay-pay ba?
Sige.
Yan. Good one. Okay, turn and push. Turn and push. Nice. Good.
Oh.
Okay, push. Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, go push it. Go push. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release the tension. Good. Good one. Okay, relax. Alright. Kamusta?
Ayos.
Good.
Parang ito yung na-release eh. Ito.
This one.
Ito. Yan.
Here. Yan.
Oh.
Okay. Yan. This one is turning out naman. Kung kanina is turning in, ngayon ay turn out naman. Good one. Good. Stretch. Yan. Reduction. Good. Last one. Turn out. Reduction again. Sige, relax ang legs. Good one. Nice. This one. Good. Here. Last one up. Good. Good. Relax na yan. Makaka-recover na yan unti-unti. Okay?
Okay.
Later on, check natin ulit. Proceed sa kabila. Ayan o. Tingnan mo ito. Sobrang. Anong pagkakaiba?
Mas malambot
sa
pa yung
tingin mo?
kaliwa.
Mas malambot na to, di ba? Okay. Yan. Metatarsal. Okay, clear. Lower. Nice. Middle side. Clear. Navicular bone. Clear. Good. And for your talus. Clear. Inner side. Outer side. Clear. Good. Cuboid. Good. Ayan. Pwesto natin ang maayos. Okay. You're up. 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 Good one. Then, your heel. Turn in. Okay. Good. Turn in. Nice. With your tibia and fibula. Yeah. So this one right there. Go. Push. And nice. This one. Alright. And relax it. Yan. Para siyang paypay. Yan. Sa groin muscles. Nice.
Hindi mo maganda pumunta.
Mainit. Mainit ngayon sa... Yep. Last one there. Hindi na namin tinapos yung tour eh. Init. Nag-alas stress lang kami. Good. This one here. A little turn. Good. Yeah, relax na. Nice. Decompression for your lumbar. Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Good. Saan mo siya naramdaman? Sa upper ba o sa lower?
Mas dito.
More upper. And now, proceed tayo sa pinaka-buong procedure. Okay?
Okay.
Tapa.
Tapa.
No, up. Kamusta yan? May ngalay, mabigat, anything.
Kaya naman.
Kaya. Sige, good. Kabila. Nice. How was it?
Kaya.
Kaya. Very good. So, stretch na lang natin ng konti and then pelvis. Right there. This is your iliac crest. Inhale. Exhale. Down, down, down. Okay, so clear. Good one. And here. Inhale. Exhale. Open. Good. Relax. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ito. Good. Nice. That's it. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Good. And then for your sacrum, okay? And engage your puwet or muscles.
Okay.
Bigasan mo ang puwetan. Ready. Go. Up. Diretso ang tuhod. This one. Diretso tuhod. Yung good one. Very good. Okay, so So, ribs na tayo, especially your left. Right there. Sige, hinga. Exhale. Nice. Hinga. Exhale. Good. Hinga again. Exhale. Nice. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Last 3. Down. Good. Last 2. Down, down, down. Good. Last 1. Good. And then your inner rib. This one. Good. Relax the shoulder. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Okay, so ito ay very tight. Ready? Hinga. Exhale down. Ay, so ibang technique ang gagamitin natin dyan later. With your thoracic 1 and cervical 7 junction. Upper. Good. This one. Relax ito. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder ba? Yan. Good. Nice. Dito na tayo sa may lower sa ating cervical 6 and 5 junction. Okay? Right here. I will hold this one. Okay? Hold this up. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice one. Okay, so ito ay very tight. So bago ka umupo, check natin ulit yung iyong paa. Taas mo ito ulit. Go up. Nice. How is it?
Okay lang.
A little changes?
Parang mas maluwag na.
Mas gumaan. Good. Kabila. Nice. How is it?
Okay lang.
Nice. Good. And then, sit down. Left over right. Okay. Yoko, yoko, yoko. Inhale. Exhale. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Very good. A little tightness nung kaninang nakadapa. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. So tight. Sige. Hawak sa batok. Yan. Sa aking kamay. Ibaba ang siko. Yun. Higa ng konti sa akin. Wait lang ha. Good. Yan. Sige. Get ready. Squeeze your elbow saglit. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Again. Inhale. Up. Exhale. So tight. So we have a decompression later on. Okay? Right here. Decompression for your cervical spine. Right here. So 1. How's this?
Okay lang.
Good. 2,
Okay lang.
3,
Okay din.
4, and 5.
Oh,
Good. Traps muscles.
okay lang.
Nice. Good. Here.
Okay.
2,
Okay lang.
3, 4, and 5. Good one. Here.
Okay.
Nice. Okay? A little releasing ng tension. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Good one. Okay. Here. Block. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Block. So we have here a little traction. Close
Okay.
your mouth. Bite your teeth naturally. Okay? Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Relax ang shoulder. Bouncing it. Bouncing it. Good. Nice.
Sarap.
Good.
Oh.
Oh, very good. Nice. Clear. Nice. Here. Clear. And then last one. Oh, one. Elbow. Turn. Upper. Lower. Nice. Okay. A little. Good. Good. Okay. Lower. Good. And middle side. stretch. Push. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, elbow. Here. Good. Upper side clear, lower side relax it. Clear. Good. All right. Any pain?
Wala naman.
Good.
Ay!
Yeah. For your rotator cuff, last and the ears. So, ang gagawin ko, ipupush kita forward. Squeeze your elbow right here.
Ay, lalaban ko ng ganyan.
Yes, lock.
Okay.
Okay. This one. Laban lang ha.
Okay.
Okay. Go. Push. Laban. Go. Laban na. Good. Good. Again. Alright. Up. Good. Laban. Very firm. Okay. Go. Laban. Push. Yung. Okay. That's it. Turn in. Up. Stretch. Clear. Upper. And forward. Clear. And then, rotator cuff. Yuko, yuko, yuko. Ito, lupay-pay daw. Good one. Clear.
Oh, sarap.
Loosen up. Clear. And then, rotator. Yuko, yuko, yuko. Good.
Oh!
Nice. Good. Any pain?
Wala.
Okay. And hearing senses. Snap, snap, snap.
Oh! Makakatulong yun sa vertigo, di ba?
Yep.
Oh, mamaya, siya rin.
Once na merong stress between our temple muscles,
Mm.
yan. So makakatulong ito to recover your temple muscles and prevent yung ating tinatawag na migraine and headache. Okay? Relax. Snap it. Good.
Oh!
Nice. And then, sensitive part of our ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Ah.
Ngayon ay, ang i-check na lang natin is yung kanyang paa. Sige, ready? Go. Ito tayo. Yan.
Ayan, wala.
Balance. So, ngayon, check natin ulit. Alright? Down. And support ng konti. Okay? Go.
Kaya.
Support ng konti.
Kaya.
Good. Now, ito naman. Tiptoe. Ready? One
Okay.
foot. Up. Go.
Kaya na.
Good. Nice. Try again. Go. Up.
Okay.
Yan. Good. On your own, pero mas mabilis ng konti. Okay? Up. How is it?
Okay.
Try sa kabila. Go up.
Ito, mas kaya ko i-hold na matagal eh.
Okay.
Pero, darating din yan.
Okay. Tama.
Medyo weak pa ng konti yung pakiramdam eh.
Yan.
Ayan.
Good.
Ayos.
Nice. At least,
Nabawasan yung
natataas.
tightness dito.
Yep. Sa Achilles mo, at saka sa calf muscle sa likod.
Yep.
So, ito na yung pinaka-recovery niya. Good.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Galing,
Picture.